I'm breaking up with you. What? Why? Well, to be honest, the captain of the football team asked me out. But you're with me! But he's the captain of the football team. So do you not like me then? No, I do. But I like him more. Oh. Okay. Hey man, how are you feeling? Way better. That's really good to hear. Oh, your ex is coming. Hey! How's it going? I actually broke up with the other guy because he treats me horrible. And I had a dream last night about you. Oh really? What was it about? We were actually getting back together. Really? Yeah, really. Well then keep dreaming.